Hi guys, it's Pam and welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. In this video, we're gonna make money bags or fried bag dumplings, a Chinese-influenced lucky menu as an awesome appetizer or for welcoming the good luck and prosperity for this incoming Chinese New Year. Let's see how to make it. Starting with the ingredients. First, we need wonton wrappers. These are only suitable if you're making a small bite size, since it's thinner and cooks faster. However, regardless of the size, spring roll sheets are also widely used for this menu. If it's big, cut into 4 smaller sheets. Minced pork. Then the paste. For a nice aroma, we're gonna need a garlic, black or white peppercorns, and a coriander root, which if you don't have, you can use coriander stems instead. A carrot and a cooked sweet corn for the crunchy texture. Green onion to tie the dumplings. You can also use Chinese chives or leek. For seasoning, we'll need light soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch, then vegetable oil for deep frying. To be able to tie the dumplings with green onion, we need to boil them until softens first. Would only take a couple minutes. Then put in an iced water. Slice off the corn kernels. Then chop the carrot into small cubes. Dice the garlic. And coriander root. Powder garlic, coriander root, and peppercorns into a rough paste. In the mixing bowl, we are adding 300 grams of minced pork. And the paste that we powdered earlier. Then the corn and carrot. Season with a tablespoon light soy sauce, a half teaspoon sugar because we already have some sweetness from the sweet corn, and make them bouncy and soft by adding a tablespoon cornstarch. Then combine them well. The boiled green onion, if it's big enough, we can cut and split them in half so we have more to tie. Grab a wrapper and put about 1 teaspoon of the meat filling in the middle. There's a few ways you can fold. I'll show you 2 easy ways in this video. So grab the 4 corners to the middle. Squeeze a bit. And then tie with the green onion. Wrap around 2 times. Then tie the knot. If it's too long, you can trim them off. Or you can use finger to pleat the sheet. Keep going around. Squeeze the middle. Then tie with the green onion. And now we have these mini money bags for the big version. Looks like I'm rich today. Ready to fry. We're on medium-low heat right now. Dip a wooden chopstick in. If you see bubbles, then it's hot enough to fry. Make sure the oil is not too hot, especially if you use wonton wrappers. Like I mentioned, it'll cook fast and we don't want to burn the wrappers while the meat inside is still not cooked. So dip the body part in first, fry them for a few minutes or until they turn golden brown. Then you can stir them around to cook the top part as well, which is going to be the very crispy part. Turn upside down, shake the oil out and rest on the paper towel. Keep frying the rest, then serve with sweet plum sauce or sweet chili sauce, or both sauces, why not? If you like this recipe, leave this video a thumbs up. Wish you a lovely day, and if you celebrate Chinese New Year, 新年快乐，身体健康. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next recipes. Bye!